Getting a book from a raw manuscript onto Amazon used to take all day. You had to wrestle with margin formatting, stitch together cover files, and bounce between multiple software tools. Today, we're going to compress that entire pipeline down to just a few minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you will have submitted a completed children's book to Amazon, ready for readers to buy as both a digital Kindle ebook and a physical printed paperback. Before we begin, you need 3 things ready to go: a finished book sitting inside the BookMasher software, an active Amazon KDP account, and 2 open browser tabs, one for each platform. Setting up your screen exactly like this prevents the context switching that causes so many new authors to get overwhelmed and quit. With both tabs open side by side, we can pass our text and files straight across. Step 1. We are starting inside the Completion tab in BookMasher, where our finished manuscript is waiting. First, click the button to auto-generate your book's description. While that text generates, grab the 7 suggested keywords the software provides and keep them handy. Now extract your files. For Kindle, download the front cover JPEG and EPUB manuscript. For the paperback, select your paper type to generate an interior PDF and exact page count. This page count dictates spine thickness, generating your physical wrap cover PDF. Extracting all your digital and print assets right now in this exact sequence ensures you won't accidentally upload a print PDF to Kindle, avoiding instant formatting rejections on Amazon later. Switch over to your Amazon KDP tab. Click Create New Title and select Kindle ebook. Now we just pass the data across. Copy your title, your author name, that generated description, and those 7 keywords directly from BookMasher and paste them right into the KDP interface. Here is a helpful trick for organizing your catalog. Input your pen name as the primary author, but list your real name underneath as the editor. This gives you a clear administrative tracking record behind the scenes, without breaking character. Next, select 3 highly relevant subcategories for your title. For a children's book, drill down into specific niches like friendship, social skills, or growing up. That AI description you pasted in earlier concludes with a targeted call to action. This specific structure is designed to guide a reader from initial curiosity toward a final purchase decision. Move to the content page and upload the ebook manuscript. That's your EPUB file, followed by the ebook cover, which is your JPEG. Amazon requires you to declare any AI tools used to create your content. Select Yes and specify the exact software, like Claude, BookMasher, and OpenAI. This will satisfy their internal analytics tracking. This is the digital previewer interface. Launch this to flip through your pages and verify all text and images align exactly as intended. On the pricing page, you have 2 strategic options. You can select the 70. Next, upload your files. The interior PDF first, then the wrap cover PDF, precisely calculated to wrap the front, back, and spine. Launch the print previewer to check your bleed margins one last time. If the text stays safely inside the guides, click Approve. Finally, you must input your paperback retail price. Make sure this number sits comfortably above Amazon's calculated base printing cost, so you yield a profit on every physical sale. Matching these details between the 2 platforms helps synchronize the physical dimensions of the book. This specific step addresses the most common cause of wrap cover formatting errors. Click Publish, and your book enters Amazon's review queue. They state a maximum wait time of 72 hours, though the reality is often approval within an hour or 2. When you look at your KDP dashboard, this is the exact success state you want to see. Both the ebook and paperback formats listed together, with their green in-review badges activated. Readers who enjoy a story will naturally look for the next one. Publishing a multi-book series gives you a compounding algorithmic advantage, driving older titles to sell every time you release a new one. Now that the friction is gone from the publishing process, capitalize on that momentum. Go straight back to the software's idea generator and start drafting book 2.